Welcome to the If Income Training Kit Chapter 21. How to promote digital product with review blog model. In this video, we will take a look at how to promote digital products with a review blog model, step by step. So let's get started. So we are on munchai.com and this is its official site. Here we have a list of all launches with their dates and vendors' names. Let's open one you like to promote, and here you can see all the details with the product name. Let's search it on Google with review. So in results, you can see its all review website. Let's open one from here, and here you can see its full review article, and below we have this visit official website button with affiliate link inserted in it. Open it. Now this will redirect you to its official sales page from where you can buy this product. Back on Munchai, let's copy another product's name and search it with review. Now open one site from here. And here you can see its full review with all the details and features. And below we have this button with the affiliate link. So Munchai is the website from where you can select digital products to promote with a review blog model. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 22. How to make your site fast. In that video, we will take a look at how to make your site fast, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.